Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy coleslaw salad. Start by shredding one small head of cabbage thinly and place it in a large bowl. Add 1 grated carrot and 2 sliced green onions, then toss with a pinch of salt to soften. Whisk together 3 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, and freshly ground black pepper, then mix into the vegetables until evenly coated and chill briefly before serving. Begin by prepping your vegetables and tools so everything moves smoothly during assembly. Wash and dry cabbage, carrots, and onions, then shred or slice evenly for consistent texture. Measure Greek yogurt, apple cider vinegar, honey, and seasonings so the dressing balances tang, sweetness, and creaminess. Toss salt with the shredded cabbage to soften it slightly, then drain excess liquid if needed. Combine veggies with dressing just before chilling to preserve crunch and flavor. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to help support more recipes like this one. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that somehow pairs perfectly with post-grocery runs and picnic prep. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one. Then now let's get back to the video. Experiment with small tweaks to make the salad your own while keeping it healthy. Mix in thin apple slices or diced pear for a fresh sweet note that complements the tangy dressing. Stir in chopped parsley, dill, or cilantro to add aroma and color without extra calories. For a brighter acidity, substitute lemon juice for apple cider vinegar and adjust honey slightly to maintain balance. Taste as you go and keep the textures crisp for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.